Babe, let me tell you something that just might change your life. You are lying to yourself. You don't have to believe any of those thoughts. You can actually choose to reject them. I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy of love. I'll never be that rich. I have to do everything myself. All men cheat. All men lie. I don't have any friends. I don't have any support. I'm all alone in this world. Those are all lies, sister. And you can choose to believe them or you can choose to reject them. Hi, babes. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alexis Alizé and I am all things feminine energy, mindset, manifestation, and just all about helping you become your best self. So if you're into content like that, make sure to give this video a like and make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you in this community, sister. Okay, let's get straight to it. Where do these thoughts come from? These thoughts are actually your subconscious. They are from childhood trauma or maybe your parents or people around you when you were younger. They are from experiences that you've had in life. They are from you seeing the same thing repetitive throughout your life. And you can truly change your reality just by changing your thoughts. Your brain is conditioned at this point, not conscious. So those automatic thoughts that you keep getting that you just can't seem to stop thinking about, like, oh, I'm not good enough. Oh, I'll never be loved. Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I can't do that. Those thoughts are programmed from your past and you can change those any moment that you decide to just not believe them. I'm not good enough. Yes, I am. Matter of fact, says who? Who said that? Why would I ever think that I'm not good enough? Oh, I'm so fat. I'll never lose the weight. You know what? I love my body. Let me start showing my body some more love. Oh, I'm not worthy of love. Oh, it just seems like every man cheats. Every man lies. You know what? I have attracted some emotionally unavailable men, some very risky and suspect relationships in the past. But you know what? My heart is open and I know that there are good men out there and I know that I'm going to find one. It's honestly just all in what you decide, babe. This is your life and honestly, you make the calls. You can interrupt any negative thought at any given time and choose a better one instantly. The real power isn't controlling your thoughts. It's refusing to agree with the ones that don't support your evolution. And that's why affirmations work so good. I know some people think that they're so cheesy, but they are not. They are literally reprogramming your mind. It's a whole mental rewiring because if you say something enough, you'll start to believe it. Think about all the things that you believe now, like all the things that you believe about love, about money, about family, about certain cultures, about certain religion. You were told that over and over and over again when you were a child, when you were younger, and you grew up to have this belief. The same thing works today. You can tell yourself a brand new story, and if you tell it enough times, baby girl, you just might believe it. And then once that becomes a belief, now you are moving throughout your life as this statement being your belief and you are confident in this belief. So you start to naturally align with the lifestyle and things that are attracted to that belief. That's why it's so important to be mindful of your thoughts because you are literally manifesting every given second. And with manifesting, it's not just about saying or just writing down, okay, this will happen and then going back to your normal life. No, it's truly believing it. It is the feeling behind it. It is the emotion behind the manifestation. And that energy, that emotion, that comes from your belief system. That comes from your faith. That comes from you truly believing whatever you're saying. That's why if you continue to say, oh, I'll never afford this. Oh, I can't get this. That's why you'll never be able to afford this or can't get that because you are already writing your story, baby girl. That's why you have to replace that thinking. I can't wait until I can get that thing. Maybe not right now, but soon enough, it's coming. And I like to tell my girls inside my academy, even the small wording like I'm trying, or I'm trying to quit smoking, or I'm trying to do better, or I'm trying to stop drinking, or I'm trying to go to the gym every day. If you're trying, then you're not doing it. Because if you're doing it, then you're doing it. There is no trying. Oh, I stopped smoking. Oh, I don't drink anymore. Oh, I actually do wake up early and go to the gym. You have to tell yourself this and constantly reaffirm yourself throughout the day that you are the person that you think you are. And then when you back it with action, oh yeah, that's an instant confidence boost right there. Because now you're actually doing exactly what you say you're doing. You're not trying. Even if you did it and it didn't go as planned, even if you had an idea and you did this crazy thing and it did not work out for you. The first run, the second run, you still didn't try. You still did it. So you're not trying, you're doing the damn thing. So remember, sister, you can always talk back to your thoughts. You can always defend yourself, and you can always choose a new story. You do not have to keep reliving that same old story. And you're not broken if you keep still getting these negative thoughts, no matter how hard you are trying. That just means that you need to start doing more affirmations, more things that regulate your nervous system, like going for a walk, EFT tapping, meditating. Check out my website. I have a whole bunch of resources on there that can help you regulate your nervous system and just help you reprogram your mind. I also have a bunch of affirmations on my website as well. I don't think people quite understand that an identity shift happens in seconds. People think healing and becoming somebody new can take years. It can if you think that. But honestly, it happens the moment you decide a new belief. The moment that you decide, I am no longer showing up as her. The moment you decide, I am no longer putting up with this. The moment you decide that I deserve better, actually. The moment you decide, actually, I can't have it all. Matter of fact, I want it all, is the moment that you shift your identity. A lot of people think that changing your identity is just changing your wardrobe, changing your look. Baby, you can go buy a whole new wardrobe, okay? You can change your hair completely, your makeup, you can dye your hair, you can change your exterior completely to where you are all the way unrecognizable. But if you don't do that inner shift, nothing will change. And that's why I'm always telling you girls that the inner work is so important. If you truly want to change your identity and know what it means to truly be a woman in her divine feminine energy, then I suggest you check out my Rich and Feminine Energy Master Academy. So many women all over has been in this academy, and it has been completely life-changing, from their love life to their career to their money to just them in general becoming their higher self and embracing their new identity and becoming the girl of their dreams, like literally. But I'll leave all the info to that in the description. But this was just a reminder, Miss Girl, that your thoughts are not who you are. They're just habits, and honestly, habits can just be rewritten. So will you be writing a new story? I really hope that you enjoyed this video, babe. If you did, let this be a reminder that your mind is powerful, yes, but you are in control. You call the shots. Also, let me know in the comments which thoughts that you are choosing to release. And if you're ready to become the most softest version of yourself, who pours nothing but life into herself, make sure to check out my Rich and Feminine Energy Master Academy. I love you, babe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.